it up, get in, start the mixing.
Hey guys, what's up? Bigjakk here. I'm going to be showing you how to make a Bukkit server. Not just a regular old Bukkit server. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of tutorials on those already, and they're all very good, so you don't have to worry about them. But this Bukkit server is going to be specific for a certain map. The map in question is the crafting of the Azeroth map. A guy named Rumsey right here, he made a program that will, I guess you could say, scan the original map of World of Warcraft, the whole thing, and it recreates it, it renders it in the Minecraft world. And as you can see, these look very, very stunning. Some of them, this is the program that he's made is still like, you know, in the rough phases, so the lighting, it's not going to get done. None of this works, but as far as the actual construction of the map itself, it does a really, really good job in doing, in my opinion. I host a server on it myself, and I'm going to be putting the server IP for you guys at the end of the video, just so you can come check it out and see if you even want to do this. But before to get started, what you're going to make sure you need first, of course, Bukkit. Go ahead and download that. Then while that's downloading, go ahead and go back to this page right here in the forums. I'll have it linked in the description. You're going to want to download the torrent for it, which is right here. Where can I download a copy of the map? It's going to be via BitTorrent or really any torrent application. I just happen to use BitTorrent also. And once that's done downloading right here, you're going to get another, while that's downloading rather, exit out of U. Let's go ahead and make a new folder. I'm going to put it on the desktop because that's really all just for demonstration purposes. Server. There we go. Okay, so we're going to open this up. And where's my downloads? There we go. We're going to move the craft bucket download that we just did over into the folder. And you're going to have to rename this. Okay? Just delete everything until all you have is craft bucket. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to new, text document. You don't have to worry about renaming it or anything. Open that up. Then you're going to take this code right here. We'll have it in the description. And copy and paste it into there. Then you're going to go File, Save As. And this is important. Do not keep it as just a text document. You want to make sure you click All Files. And I'm just going to type run.bat. The important part is to make sure you have this .bat extension. If you don't, it will not work. And you have to make sure you have the All Files option selected as well. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and go back into the folder, the Azeroth server. You can delete the original text document, not rename it, delete it. Okay, and then you're going to run this once. It's going to do all its sorts of stuff. It gets all its folders that it needs, things like this. Now this is, like I said, this is just for a small little desktop server, only a 1 gig server, nothing too fancy. That's going to give you all your default stuff. Do not worry about the severe things right here. It's just saying it doesn't have it right now, and it's making them, and it's all clearly known for the first time you set it up. Okay, so that's basically done. The torrent, once that finishes downloading, you're going to be getting a folder that looks like this: Crafting Azeroth /version 0.1-beta. You're going to open that up, and you're going to have these. These are RAR files /zip files. I use 7-zip. You're going to want to take these and extract them. So what you would do for at least 7-zip people, you're going to want to open them. And it could actually take a while just to open them, so there's how compressed they are. And once that's done, you're going to extract them to another folder, wherever you want really. But as you can see, just in the Azeroth, there's 4 different maps just for the Azeroth one. Then if you were to open up the Kalimdor one, which is even larger, I believe there's like 4 or 5 also. Yeah, man. La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. Come on. Almost there. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. Oh wow, okay, so like there's actually 7 in the column door one. So, but after you open these up, extract them to another folder. All the files right here. So when you're total, you should have an Azeroth folder, a column door folder, as well as a plugin folder. This comes with, I believe, 3 plugins that comes with it. It's a CA Static, CA Teleport, and Multiverse. Multiverse is required for this to work, at least on a server. To make it to where you can go through the World of Warcraft file map seamlessly, you need the Multiverse plugin, as well as the CA Teleport plugin. Okay? Once that's all done, let's go back to our server. We're going to click Stop on it. And it's going to save all the chunks for it and exit out of that. Now, I'm just going to do now once you have that, take the folder that you downloaded all those to, and you're going to get your map files from all these right here, are the ones you just extracted. You're going to drag those over to your server folder. Remember, my Azeroth folder. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your plugins, go back to that. Okay. Alright, and you're just going to click and drag the same thing straight into there. And honestly, this is all you need to make this server run seamlessly, at least for the map. If you're wanting to add more to the RPG elements, you'll need different plugins. If you want World Guard, Essentials, things like that, you just simply have to add the plugins in. But as far as getting the server up and running, that's all you need to do. There's 2 different ways to host servers. Some people like to use Hamachi. I also like to use, I just port forward my router. It's a lot better. But yeah, that's how you create the World of Warcraft server, guys. Little thing to make sure you please, after you're done downloading, see the Crafting Azeroth torrent. It makes it a lot easier for others who want to do this also. It's really annoying when people download a torrent and delete the torrent right after, not helping out others, because that's all torrent is helping people, other people helping you. It's peer-to-peer. So if you're not helping others, then yeah, you're not good. Alright guys, this is Bigjakk, how to make the Crafting Azeroth server. Have a good one. Something I did forget to mention, guys, and I'm terribly sorry about this. You're going to need the Multiverse to plug in. What he provides is the plugin files, so all the worlds are already set up and you don't have to configure those yourself. But you do need to download the actual plugin. So I'm going to have this in the description as well. And all you do is click download. It's going to bring you to another page and you just click download again. And then after you finish that, it's going to download a jar for you. Let's go back to our Azeroth server folder, go to our plugins, and you're just going to click and drag the jar. But let's get to my download so I can show you. I'm going to take the Multiverse Core -2.4 jar file, and you're going to move it over into your plugins folder. And then that's all you need. So you're going to make sure you download the Multiverse Core plugin as well. It just comes with the configuration files for Multiverse, so you don't have to mess with it. Sorry again, guys.